Hello. And the other solve Leetcode 2, adding two numbers, right? I want my two non-empty linked lists, right? So keyword linked list, right? So we won't know anything about linked lists, that's what, and then so with it. And I'm going to say numbers, so I must store me in reverse order, right? In T. Yen can't our numbers remember because we are mobile in reverse order and regular numbers and can be to say 3, 4, 2, right? Plus 4, 6, 5. Into when you add way plus way 7, right? Way plus way 0. Now because yes, of one in base 10, no, right? Also we primary and JSS maths base 10. Yes, so when base 10 into you bet carry 1 what I say, right? You are never add we so near the carry na count, right? Now you 8. But send you carry no, right? And I send you 0 way so the best chance. You ever 0 way fancy the ever friend digits. Right? And you say number we ever come 10 over 10, right? Modulo 10. And another be my 0, right? Modulo is all divided by we are a right? Digits na you a carry no you by say number in this case 10, right? Divided by 10, and also by 1. In this hand, you can say another situation so as you say in KB and 3, 4, 2 plus 7, 6, 5. 7, we be 0, still carry 1 was anyway, by 10, it is 0, right? Right? It is 0, but because of 1, we're going to have 11 into after the carry the 10 11. But still I be saying you carry 1 be means and the 1 have to us, right? In this say oh I do be you not share one ma carry 1 na can say sign be to us into no so ye that condition I say what to have into yembra and yembe example na nkasa no me ma yen say yen hwe so say right. Example na nkasa say 2 na ko 4 na ko 3 and 5 na ko 6 na ko 4, right? Because a linked list so long as our values no are say and you added, right? Into we say never 7 about 6 plus 6 is 0 because the same you're adding base 10. Now 7 plus carry 1 now by 8, right? It's near form a new linked list, right? Near results way. Key things we want regular mathematical addition, the way I'll be way, and the way I'll be carrying, and only the most important thing I will hear the solve way, right? Into a basic linked list question. You can the way to solve it, right? And clearly not to use you form new linked list. Anytime form new linked list, I so set a dummy linked list with dummy head, right? We say no way to the BBR chassis, way to make the 0 BBR chassis because your best keep what's our initial value anyway. Now your current dummy is equal to dummy head, right? In TCC, while L1 or L2, right? So long as we will and we will on piano, you bet right? X be equal to L1 dot value, the value of L1, if L1, else 0, right? We if condition, right? You're returning L1 so long as L1 when yes I enter 0. The same thing for Y, right? Y should be equal to L2 dot value if L2, else 0, right? So we are near added no be equal to X plus Y. But anytime behind you say the carry count, right? because I say no the carry count, I say no we so the carry count. But you see, I know you started for carry no she no is 0, right? Into you set up carry as 0, right? Yeah, I did I see the carry count, right? You see, I have been digits na the ratio one, digit no be equal to added, right? Remember, I measure digit no modulo, right? Modulo 10. Carry no so be equal to added divided by 10, right? In here we are current dot next, which means head way the next value after dummy head no, right? Be equal to new list node with digits, right? So we are now current no, we move to current dot next, okay? See I see a movie. See you add when we see a movie bar say into L1. If L1 still L1 be more, right? Still be more, you move to L1 into L1. It be equal to L1 dot next, right? Same thing for L2. If L2 are still be or L2 anymore because if you are not still be more, right? L2 it be equal to L2 dot next, right? You see I but you bibia, it is an example, you bibia na still carry ne bi o aka back one. You sign the count who I say, right? Into carry no, if carry is greater than 0, current dot next, yes, and for back will be on count, it be equal to list node carry. If we are near returning dummy head dot next. All right, in the say and you add it way, right? Into we are okay was here. All right, into say and you solve it adding 2 numbers, adding 2 linked list numbers, right? Into so our question be a all the to chat name, right? I'm going to make me answer my okay. All right. Into me that's me. Rebecca say bye bye.